The team lead researcher, in coordination with you, most likely will plan an interview between, as we said before, 6 to 10 people based on specific criteria that are really based on the target goals of the project. Key factors to consider when inviting guests is taking into consideration the power dynamics and different opinions the participants have based on their age, gender, and religion. Sometimes also you can take into consideration their religious orientation, their ethnicity, some disabilities they might have, as well as the socioeconomic level and position they have in the community. When you invite participants to attend, it's key for you to make sure that there is a mixture of different types of identities based on the sensitivity of the subject matter. For example, in some situations, it might be more appropriate for you to organize members of a focus group discussion to be all female if you believe that the answers will be different than if there were men present. You may also decide not to have participants from different ethnic groups or political affiliations in the same focus group discussion if that's going to create conflict within the group. It's key for focus group discussions to stimulate discussion respectfully. Debating is okay, however, shouting is not. Your colleague, the facilitator, and the observer need to consider those power dynamics happening between the participants before and during the focus group discussion. Among the most important criteria in having someone attend a focus group discussion is their willingness to take part in meaningful discussion and debate. Not all participants need to be extroverts, with exception of loud personalities and personas. They do, however, need to be willing to participate and share their opinions. Part of that has to do with the focus group discussion host explaining to them that their opinion is connected to a higher goal of informing research and that their opinion is valid in this space and will be protected as this is a safe space that you have created for them to participate in. Finally, when you consider the profiles of who you're going to invite, you should think about who may know each other already. Depending on the project and what the research director or investigator is trying to find, it may be inappropriate to have participants who know each other in the same group, as it might limit the bias and unadulterated interaction between them, and therefore your observation between the participants would not be without bias. Depending on the project and other situations, you may want to have participants who know each other as a means to understanding a collective opinion or perspective on a specific subject or intergroup dynamics.